Lipsticks, one of women's beauty essentials or deadly weapons?
Carcinogens are so-called cancer-causing materials. They're life factors like tobacco use to naturally occurring exposures like UV rays. But there are also cancer-causing metals like cadmium, chromium, lead, etc. Cadmium is a byproduct of extraction of zinc and other metals found in batteries, metal coatings, and an alloy. It is a major source of human exposure mainly through tobacco and food plants. Cadmium oxide fumes are very toxic to the human body. As for chromium, chromium is a naturally occurring mineral chromite that contains chromic oxide and is found in bricks and steel products. Chromium has quite high level of carcinogenicity, but more studies need to be done. It mainly causes the lung cancer. Lead is primarily in oxides, and there are reports of a potential excess of digestive tract cancers at lead-acid battery factories in Great Britain.
How would you feel if these toxic carcinogenic metals might be in your lipstick that you use every day?
Recent research study done in 2013 mentioned in journal article Lipstick Study Opens Up Concerns About Carcinogen found on EBSCOhost website states that lipsticks may brighten women's face but may not be good for the rest of their bodies.
I chose this article because I thought it was important for everyone, not just women, to know that what we use every day can be deadly to your body, and although we cannot completely avoid the usage of lipstick, we can certainly reduce it.
Researchers took a closer look at those potential death-leading factors and found that lipsticks and lip products contain lead, cadmium, chromium, and 6 other metals. According to the researchers in UC Berkeley's Public Health Department, lead was found in 24 of 32 lipsticks tested, and some lip products were at potentially toxic levels.
Why would lip products cause cancer in our organs? Lip products are often ingested or absorbed because people usually lick their lips unconsciously. But the health effect depends on how heavily and often the product is used.
The UC Berkeley study found out that average user who applies lipsticks 2 or 3 times daily ingests 24 milligrams each day, and the heavy user who applies it as many as 14 times ingests average of 83 milligrams. However, even for the average user, a study found out that lipsticks could result in excessive exposure to chromium. As I said before, chromium is carcinogen linked to stomach tumors. Also, heavy users can be susceptible to aluminum, cadmium, and manganese. A professor of environmental health in UC, S. Catherine Hammond, discourages teenagers' use of lipsticks, kids playing with lipsticks, and adults using lipsticks too much. Although the results are preliminary and more research is required, the 32 tested products are common brands sold in stores nationwide, so this study can be generalized to some extent. This article is significant because it talks about an issue that normal people usually skip over or unconsciously ignore. Although some may say the amount of carcinogenic metals in those lip products are minimal, if people continuously use these over time, the harmful chemical might accumulate, affecting people's health on the long run.
As for me, I own a lot of lip products because I usually spend more time on my lips. But now that I learned that there are cancer-causing metals in those, I probably should use those less and live long and healthy. I hope this article has made everyone think again about carelessly putting on lipsticks 20 times a day because, who knows, you might get cancer. There will be more studies done about this issue since the world of beauty is now alarmed. Hopefully they can invent something even less low-level carcinogens.